BIR box.
Sa manifestation ng House.
Antayin po namin yung sagot ng defense, no? Doon po sa dalawang bagay. Una sa marking at pangalawa sa pagbubukas po ng BR box, no? So ultimately, we will wait for the determination of the Senate Impeachment Court.
So sir, safe to say hindi na markahan, hindi na buksan.
Hindi na markahan, hindi na buksan ngayong araw na ito.
So sir, yung reply ng defense, applicable na lang siya sa trial proper? Kasi tapos na po yung pre-trial conference. So anong difference po?
Hindi. Sa dulo, ang Senate Impeachment Court na po yung magpapasya. Una, on the marking, and secondly, on the opening and sealing of the box.
So yung manifestation, safe to say, hindi pa siya scrapped right now kahit tapos na yung
Hindi. Kasi it is, the clerk of court cannot rule on the manifestation on the box. No? So, the clerk of court will wait for the comments of the defense and then will subject the matter to the Senate Impeachment Court upon reconvening.
So kung it's either, ang hinihintay nyo na lang ngayon, kung since tapos na ang pre-trial conference, yung call na lang ng impeachment court na i-unseal, i-mark na lang yan during the trial.
Dalawang bagay, marking of the box and secondly, unsealing of the box.
During the trial proper na.
During the trial proper na po yan.
Safe to say, tapos na po yung pre-trial stage.
Tapos
ng
na po
impeachment
yung
case.
pre-trial.
Waiting for that.
So we will wait for the pre-trial order and then we will wait for the 6th of
Did they say sir kailan ibababa yung pre-trial?
Wala. I think it will.
Sir, what preparations are you going to do na po kasama ng ibang moving?
Araw-araw lang po yung paghahanda ng prosecutors. No? So may mga mock trials na ginagawa po. So yun po yung paghahanda namin up until the 6th of July.
How would you wrap up the entire PBC po? Anong word that you describe it?
Well, naging exhaustive naman po yung pre-trial conference. So lahat po ng mga exhibits that we wanted to placed into the marking had been undertaken, except lang syempre doon sa our box. But ultimately, we leave it to the Senate Impeachment Court to make that determination.
Sir, let's say hindi naglabas ng comment ang defense pero wala pang decision ng impeachment court. Sa pag-reconvene po on July 6, yun agad ang ipupush mo.
Well, isa yun dun sa syempre mga mababanggit po during the trial stage itself.
Isang soundbite lang, no, kung nagkaroon pa ba ng diskusyon over the box and how was it, parang how was the decision made na hindi na lang ito ngayon, parang ngayong araw na to?
Well, syempre gusto din po ng defense no, to be able to state their comments on the manifestation, first to mark and also second to unseal, open the box. So, ang naging pagpapasya na lang ho, we will wait for it and they will submit it tomorrow, the soonest. At yun po, and it will be the Senate Impeachment Court who will decide on it.
You're not disappointed at all na hindi siya nabuksan?
Hindi naman, kasi ang totoo naman ho, sa dulo-dulo po yung pagbubukas, it is not the call of the clerk of court. It is the call of the Senate Impeachment Court. Kasi syempre, there are specific concerns relating to the unsealing itself of the box.
Sir, walang plans na i-withdraw niyo yung unang manifestation? Kumbaga i-update niyo na lang na impeachment trial proper na to be specific?
Wala naman. I think it's a continuing proposal naman po to the Senate Impeachment Court. Kasi ang totoo naman, sila naman ho yung magpapasya ng bagay po na yun sa pinakadulo.
Na hindi invalidated yan.
Wala.
Hindi siya na-validate.
No, it's a continuing proposal to the Senate Impeachment Court to mark the BR box and to unseal, open the BR box.
Sir, safe to say yung nakalagay sa manifestation nyo, pre-trial hanggang trial, kumbaga sakop siya sa request nyo na mabuksan and unseal?
Continuing request naman po yun. Kasi kasama naman po talaga yun dun sa mga ebidensya po ng prosecution.
So the box will remain with the clerk of court?
I have to check if it will remain with them. I understand it's with them at the moment.
Sir,
Kasi-
what are we expecting on July 6? Ano yung usually na mangyayari? Opening statements po ba? Ano po?
Well, una syempre, baka meron mga preliminary matters, no? Yung pong Senate Impeachment Court. So we will leave it to the court to resolve that. But as far as we're concerned, our expectation would be yung pong dalawang panig ay magkakaroon po ng kanya-kanyang mga opening statements tungkol sa kaso po na ito. At panghuli, maganda siguro magsimula na po yung presentation of evidence, particularly on threats.
Sir, on the Vice President's appearance, sabi po ni Attorney Poe kanina, mag-a-appear daw po siya kung kailangan, that's his term. Or how do you respond to that, na kung kailangan, saka siya mag-a-appear?
No, we leave it to the Vice President to make a determination on yan ba talaga yung makakatulong sa kanya bukas. So karapatan naman po niya.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay guys, thank you.
Thanks.